Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Apple gift card on Roblox, whether you want to buy Roblox or you want to buy Roblox Premium. First thing guy, you need to use this on an iPhone. You cannot use an Apple gift card directly on the Roblox website. But if you're on your iPad or your iPhone, then you can use this gift card. I'm going to show you how to do this really easy and simple. It's a really easy fix, guys. Really easy and simple. So what you want to do first is go to your app store, guys, on your iPhone or iPad. Go to your app store and tap on your profile icon on the top right section of the corner, and then click on redeem gift card or code. I want you to either use your camera to scan the gift card, the code, or you can just enter it manually like a normal person. And once the code is accepted, the balance will be added to your Apple ID. So step number two would be to just open the Roblox app, and you'll see your balance on your Apple gift card will already be loaded. So when you try to make a purchase on Roblox, like you would just tap on the Roblox icon. Usually you find it on the bottom of the screen. Take it to the page where you can select how much Robux you'd like to buy, and then just pick the package that fits your needs. Like let's say you buy the $5 one for 400 Robux. And once you have selected the package that you want, the app is going to ask you to confirm the payment. Using the payment ID, since you've already added the gift card, it will automatically use your Apple balance to complete the purchase. Then just tap buy or confirm when you're prompted. And if required, you can also use your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password to confirm the purchase. And instantly, guys, your Robux will be added to your Roblox account. Guys, it's really easy and simple. If this video helped, and if you appreciate the detailed tutorial, make sure you comment and subscribe, guys. We have a lot more Roblox videos coming up, so make sure you subscribe.